and only one of us learned to swim. Now the water's climbing through, covering every gilded whim. The chandelier is still talking to itself, whispering secrets to the marble shelf. Each crystal shard a frozen tear, reflecting all that isn't here. Flooded keys, play me out. I came dressed for the song you didn't write. A silent grand and watery shout, lost within this candlelit night. The rose petal drifts and turns against the bench, a lonely sigh, as the golden music learns a deeper, darker lullaby. The chandelier is still talking to itself, whispering secrets to the marble shelf. Each crystal shard a frozen tear, reflecting all that isn't here. Flooded keys, play me out. I came dressed for the song you didn't write. A silent brand and watery shout, lost within this candlelit night. I practiced the part you abandoned in 2 inches of rose water clear. Each note a memory unlanded, fading with the rising fear. The water reaches the ivory keys, melody dissolves mid-phrase, a broken plea. Only the drip remains, a soft release from this submerged, forgotten decree. Watery kiss the ivory keys, melody dissolves mid-phrase, a broken plea. Only the drip remains, a soft release from this submerged,